This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to make a purchase on Audible. So first of all, you need to be logged into your Audible account through your Amazon account. I'm right here on audible.co.uk, right here in the UK. Now, lots of different ways to cruise around the site. We have the categories here. You can click on these categories and find Audible books that way. The best first listens, there's a whole load of bestseller categories that Amazon have laid out here as you scroll down. So you can click into any of these. There will be recommendations through there. We've got the Harry Potter showcase or something at the top right here. There's wishlist, there's library right here. So if you click into the library, that's actually my owned library, or well, I don't actually have anything right now. So we've got the categories here. If you scroll over browse in the top right here, we've also got bestsellers, new releases coming soon. So you can click into some of these. And then there's different ways to filter and sort these lists as well. So you can click through, and if you like the look of something, you can either add to cart right from here, or add to wish list, or you can click into the item just to see a bit more detail, and you can see all the blurb, the different tags and stuff here. And then, you know, maybe you just want to cruise around this way. Maybe you find this book under the personal development section, this Mel Robbins book. And there's different ways, you know, you'll find your path. You can see the reviews down here. It's quite good actually to look through the categories here. We've got the memoirs and biographies section right here. But I'm actually going to show you how to buy a particular Audible. I've actually got the book, and I want to actually get the Audible of it. So it's the Ron Chernow biography of Alexander Hamilton. So if I search for that there, so that's another way to find specific stuff. You can actually use the search up here in the top right. I should mention that. But once you actually have a book open, an Audible I should say, open that you want to buy. Now I have a credit here. You can use your credit. You get given, I think it's 1 credit per month with Audible currently. You can buy right here. So you go through the process to actually add it to your cart right here, the buy now. You can add to basket, that actually adds to the cart. There's a few more options there. Now, I'm going to use this credit right here to actually buy this book. So I click on the credit, and then I click confirm purchase. And just like that, that should go through, and I should have that Audible book. So, like I say, I actually do have the physical paperback version of this book. And yeah, it's quite nice to have the Audible to go along with it. So I've done that now. So we can start playing instantly. This book is actually 35 hours and 58 minutes. This is pretty insane. It's a huge book. It's actually a tome of a book. It's I think it's about 900 pages or something. I've got it in my office somewhere. But we also have these options here. So we can send it to Mac PC. We can send it to Amazon Alexa, phone and tablet, you know, if you want to view on there. It's quite good just to obviously listen to the book whilst you're working or something on your laptop, on your desktop. But that is how you will actually purchase a book on Audible. Purchase an Audible, I keep on saying books, they are technically Audibles. But that was how you actually purchase an Audible on Audible. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.